Welcome to Phedra AI, the latest offering from Synthesis AI Studio. With Phedra, you can create replicas of existing images, add text, use text prompts to make changes to the image, add styles, remove background, and so on. There are a lot of things that you can do, so let's get started. This is how the interface of Phedra looks like. We've got pre-existing templates for stickers, t-shirts, logos, social media posts, memes, virtual backgrounds, and so forth. So you can start from here. Or if you already have an existing image that you want to uh, enhance or make changes to, you can do that as well. So let me try to upload an image from my computer. Okay, it's a simple beach image, and it's from a stock website. So one thing that you need to keep in mind is that uh, the image that is uploaded is not going to be the exact image that you have chosen from your computer. It would have slight differences, but the essence will remain. Okay, so this is the image that I have uploaded. Now, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to use the text prompt to make changes to the image. Okay, so all right. Can you see here? There are people that have been added. Now let's try to make it evening. All right. Uh, okay, so this is how it turned out to be. All right, now let's add a beat check. Okay, now the beat check has also been added. Now let's okay. So let's add a neon sign. Okay, so the beat check has a neon sign right now. Okay, so every time it is creating a variation of an image, right? So now let's try to make it night. Okay, so this is how you can make changes to make changes one after the other to an existing image till you find the image that you're looking for, right? So this is essentially how Phedra AI works. Now, there are a few other options that are available out here. So in case the image doesn't turn out to be the way you visualized it, you can always click on try again. So once you click on try again, it will create a variation of the image, right? Okay, so we have two options here, apply style and resize. So resize allows you to change the aspect ratio of the image. Okay, again, it might create a variation of the image. It might not retain the same image. So we need to keep that in mind. You can do that for social media posts or your web. Say, for example, I want to convert this into a square image. I can do that as well. Okay, so it created a variation of the previous image, right? So that's how Phedra works. The main aim for Phedra is to avoid any copyright issues with an existing image. So we can keep on adding prompts and changing the setting of the image as we like. Okay, so in case the image that turns out is not how you visualized it, you can always click on try again and it will come up with a different result. So this is how it works. Now there is another option called apply style. So if we click on it, there would be various styles available out here. You can choose from one of the styles here. Okay, so say for example, I want to convert this into a comic strip or a vintage comic strip. So I can click on vintage retro. Okay, so this is how it turned out to be, right? Now, when we click on export out here, you can easily save the image as uh, as it is. You can upscale the image. Okay, so let's see what size this image is. That would, okay, so let's go to, this is a 1024 pixel image, and the size is 1.37 MB. But if I go back here and click on upscale, okay, so now this is the upscaled image. If I save it, just name it upscale. So, and go and check it here. It's the size is increased to 5.10 MB and it is 2048 by 2048. So you can also further upscale it till 4K. Okay, so you can also see the resolution of the upscaled image out here. Now you can also use the remove background feature. Now let me since this is has abstract elements in it, the remove background feature might not work as it should. It works best with images containing humans and animals. So let's try that with different image too. So let's quickly uh, go back to design. Let me upload a different image. So for example, let me upload an image here. Okay, this one. Okay, so now what I would do is I'll click on export and I'll click on remove background. Okay, so this is how the background has been removed. So this is how the remove background option works. All right, so this is essentially how Phedra works, and you can then export it, download it, and do other stuff with it. So you can create amazing renditions of existing images. Sometimes it actually surpasses what you've actually visualized. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, do reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.